for life. Our Brajumedi and fun is a full time. Yet, Banama, I'm fun too. And I'm saying, on Facebook, no, ya was soon too bad, but money and so like a page of faith. Wobashan and Predator be Abasa, what day, which has all messages, no, and so I'm piano, the Babania can catch your mouth. Would him say, yeah, live for TV, this one, no, and some I have some part TV and for radio, no, and so I have some part 93, what I want. Our brother, Tennis of foreign news, Abana, saying, no, Yansan Fabi, Emma, I have 5G, energy drink. No, I will just on my daroma. We now want them up and watch about wow. I'm a chest in the Petrana, what Tibia Washere, and I get the moo at so called Montesua. Walk away what Juma Sans and Perfosse Bamadia. I was so yet Juma den Amari Equadrum, a to Abramani Quadrum at Samama Mopajuma Dinino, and I have 5G and Abuama Jumadia Udino, and so I call Kamama Daroma. Yet the foreign news Abashara Yensha Seven Free, I yet Germany, Udum San and Saint Tim, and I made about to Jasa Ukobokua. Yafanasa Bamuchana Nanka manager Fanasa Aya Thomas Tuchel agreement Aya Juma say Nyamia Donasa Kobasa be a manager no you born the last game as we are what the Jumadi out to essence Omoma Thomas Tuchel no and some and to Asubium now okay some about two just one Nanka Omo plan A Aya manager na Yafanasa Zabi Alonso Eduru baby Yabatinso Ura Yafanasa Holia Negosman no Ekochi Germany Wamusu team Abe plan B EBM and some Abe manager your fan sounds a flake and so deep and send a Manchester United and so coach I found set Ten Hag Munino Wamus Edi Abam our brass and Commodian and also night to me and your pay now so yes and Cassane tell you our promotesa yes Bramuchin supporters nibi and some Aquaquayo Po now Omubusan Yabiara took come out about Openo Yama manager stay I said yes Zavi Ebestay and some po Yama manager some Kwana and my France and Tuabano and some Nafeva coach, your father took us, our manager, and some Antonio Cross Anina Juma, now another penny a chance of coach, and some other confirmations. I had done the last game and a boss and pay many Jaram Abatinas and Asma Dican say, or Basuka MOBRTS and Nano Peno, way and some press conference and Tatua, Warrior our Sabana Strossa, our dear Chessa, the tennis and Yadia Sono, and some other Yajumanibium Amabokua, your father said Bavarians, our Brandy, and Yadias also Sananji. Now, many Janet Cassan will say, the Tennyson commodity I am pa Ebucoso, one more starting some would do come say, one of say stay on Numpo, what cause I hear Juma Ama Bamuchi Timono, Namon say, woman to me and reach agreement to decision, I'm taking the month of February, no, and one about Coswaya Juma, our brother Thomas Tuchel, and no, and some update about boss idea, not just at the pressure, ever to Manchester manager, so, as Sameno Casa manager, no, yes, the decision is say, Wabasu Bay Juma, our Premier League, Mabedo Tessa, Mabecana Tata, our Mariso Patatino Munino, pressure some about me up, and no update to Abba Hon Samano, yet the MIA for another pay, and some our show no so, Wabaya come Nigeria, and no changes Uncle Modino, Yababa, a bouncer, a manager, your father Sansavi Adianusu says, Yanam Ansana, Mamimco Italy, Nayan Shama Nigeria, a changes, and no answer to me about now, okay, Sam. En Chebia, Anna Medeba to him, some manager, your father Sao Paulo Fonseca, I just want to Juma our French League, make a choice AC Milan, and some Abasuamo Fano and Adenaba. Now, coach, I found Sao Paulo Fonseca, not Milan, Basuamo Fan Adenaba, update our whole and say, Yamia Duma, I am Monday, and a Sam manager, Yasem about taking a decision, Nanka myself for the contractor, I know I share a cocotunanim, now so the minion say Lee, and say one of my Yajuma Emma Bobokua, your father Sam Marcel, a BM Bobokua, your father AC Milan Diano, one some that's I train manager and now make Casino, Yaso come Milan, one some less than a swa, one hour Suru Achan Christoph Gautier, one was Suru Achan Nupana, Nanka Ibrahimovic, Abasua Denaba, your father Mark van Bommel, and what your real father said your consay was some was Suru Achan Safonina, and Tim Amoso Resebia manager, and some Abas. And I just pay make a choice and must agree about training and some our continents area almost second a shaka banya timer not just a manager under the car and some other junior cancer continents and I don't pay Emma and Kabeme the persons who call a yellow grass only when I time I won't romance and one don and wash bruta. That's a one idea. Maybe some in the probably some. na ka uchu amane no and you say wo so ayi fo nyina no say hey na how they kai kwakoy oba line oba no kwakoy the line no ka wo twinya ka ketoa eti wey eye manager fan salagri and some ram our continenza akwakoy tuo and no pen Ghana time about 7:30 na ya wo say manager no and some ram our ram ni nyina no one some akwaya adwuma wi wo some abetumi asake no na jamense kan say ba say be confirmed as a manager no woman some Jana Cramen Aquadia or Red Father Paulo Montero or no and a report to inside Canasa woman 2 matches Akano one Abaya Jumano on the interim and some Adiama Juve our Brene and Red Father Paulo Montero and Abaya Juman on interim basis and no some Eba now Wabrame can say manager Father Salagri and I just want to know Wabramo permanent compensation not just some Patasikana I was some Abutre Adamano no when you're ready say be or forgo 1 Ghana and I say be €1 po on for say and some anche o calculate here sika was a juve etri adamano yente she enfrimuno yesem between 18 ekosi 20 million euros ano and some iska was a bobokua ye fan say juve etria and some adama mas alagrimeno kasai wo so court no de omenya ko na jejo mo court and say woman the beshem say pama woman so permanent in answer a serious misconduct subaya what done dinano Wednesday na jo what j title awie manager wa roll jacket and roll flying tie nyao na kobo referee Fabio Maresca ye can be bia usunti and watch when sporting director ye fan say green tolly eko kuanie am am 2 game ban sanitaria and ye 2 matches na kwano and 2 arches and nyina and some update free amaso ye and some at about Brown Seminole, yet the Emmy for him say, another Nigeria change. Ayo Rana, your father said Tiago Mota, now Uko Polonia, Jamesa Canasa Polonia Babakuno, Timonum, a president, ISA, and Ka Obesanka manager Fanasa, Ayet Tiago Mota Este, Nam Amoya Sanka, get to Pebia, Wamosom Abaya Adamo Rano, I just a 2 me be a manager, your father said Tiago Mota Ebehia Biano, Wamosom Adebaman Ameno Casino. One more president time fan say I Jean Saputo and some Nagusu Pushi. Namam said initially I did kind of two casa Tiago Mota Anya agree and I a 3-year contract and asampo I a 2-year contract option of another year at Sebesham. I don't know about 3 years no and on some other Oba I a 3.5 million euros a season and I manage a fan some motor and some about the canning in answer what depend ebesi paper so now was this our contract no and some Adiama Jufi our Brajon Saputo and some pushes and coach no and some stay our Brano Pino and no so update and no some another Nigeria a young como a manager na your friend says Zavi Sharag men ante our Barcelona no Pameka Chawo and some our table no so say Ghana time no Base be 8:30 more and a Barca for 2 less than 1 hour. I was so much touch it down and some our Barcelona meno kasai team no I on board and Chebiano one some about drew now manager Francis Xavi and the entire playing Badia Wadomoko Ameria Enra woman Yama drew Barcelona the ocean say and some ayo runner or no and some aya Juma Emma Barca your friend Enric Masip Yakas Enric Masipa one of like a Barca and Penfono in fact or no I am member Adama Barcelona one more presidential cabinet not just one more tenants FRJ one more omutu phone in our or fans Eric Masip and ye on once a mobile phone atana so what do come El Coba Remu and some our bonsa one officers and watch it Jamensa canning in so no and I say hardcore and some Adama president your fans La Porta not just an idea Bessie and some Bessie afraid mammy manager Jana so your father said Walla Porta says Siana La Porta so about on ye and then when me just a quote 1 year I'm so almost at Tariabeti say headmaster Chevy Besqua next year you were dear and you are brown your button so next year to button I so some quote nibi and that man already father said La Porta and some ashe our Jenny flying tie cocoa and some woho ni inano and some see blue I just already and I think that a bag in across one more beyond some bag in the kit just what the and some Anakitana Bagna or reference a Porta and some our bouncer or more officers and a pair. studios na no eno anso ni oba no jemense kan say wono ayobia chese ono ne staff ni chief of staff ye friend manana wono ade di akire no na chese chief of staff ade ma ho la porter wo mu nyina so na aba na asem ni nyina no say o kai say aye January aye 27 ano mo ya announcement say owura friend say Xavi no o say ontimi ento so biem enfama Barcelona eno aye 1 and what 25th of April and na no ye de betu twa say manager ye friend Xavi ane ho la porter wo mu mienu nyina de announcement say wabesa to asubiem yeda sorry ya enram ane na no pai na chese May 17 womo de abasa e wo so mu ja owura fan sa Xavi ensom akwan ema Xavi akọ adan a womo didie pass asema kokan ya enom ane pre-match a chese enra womo kwakobo Ameria a day before enra okoka sa Barca squad way ensom antimi ane chese players a womo so gina omo na so omo ya quality ensom our Europe antimi compete na so chamo say next season Champions League Barca enka ho enti oya Barca fana na dia show tirim say manager no kro no at bencha wonom agina touch line our dugout no wo say mutim no enti compete our Europe yes anyam panfo no de anopa me kaye pass our tip over so me ka cho say one porter wonom ayo president ne bu ofupa na abufo na ba nyina de me nya no say yes wodwa na wo ama unti ama fo dinner tam rough e because ana kodano ana wasuso ana so che ana pamono na still wo chese ahwehan na wo ye watuma anu wachi pamono man nko na owura e differento anu sankempo e bia bibi kurani ana sanke bia abeso otumi ka ensom achance ntwafo a aden ana wo Xavi wandi ka eno no president na ye fa no se wala porter ensom ansuso ho na omosi asem na Xavi aka ne wan kasa ye na nanka ba sampanfo na hwe se anka bia message a chaso obetena se ne pre-match conference awasan kowura ye fa no se Xavi adema ene se wabra ye wo Pau Kubarsi ye wo Lamine Yamal yawa Femi Lopez and it just Kodano Omopani no Barca a tima from next season elko yabe fighting for BBI yabe compete in na chese La Liga Barca be fight ebano Copa del Rey Super Copa de España ebano UEFA Champions League gani no Barca some abe compete omo say enom aya asuma na kom ho nim sanka owura no esom abeka wan kokano sa ama me no kasa bufo no de aba mekane na no paysen me no kasai asom now chances I will say manager Francis Xavi yaba pamono aye 99% chances I will say coachy and some to be stay aye one na mom just say bia bibia and no aye miracle na miracle no krano wom say omtiri percent anya de say betimi asibim I will bra manager no some abeko na enkomodia no say dia men say kan nyina no and some ade say uram and some our coach I Francis Xavi wala porta bu fonti wa share aye and it's a sporting side and say woman new manager and from a side your friend Barca meno kasai or real fan say Marquez achas Arabia chum now on some person I come a Barca well yeah Emma Barca junior team no what casa recently grab to just say woman some never so much Xavi Aquino maybe casa Rafa Marquez ayobia on some never to me on the interim yes one more consider say Marquez no and some never to me about ya Juman side your friend is a Barca now, many say, Medicam Bay story some weeks ago. What can I make a choice of Manchester United? One more monitors have a situation, our Barca, and more, and I did say I said about to just run Ebenya stay. And now, Mano Cassan and Cobianum and Cabia Cocha, your first set 10 hack about Nanino, report time and second Sama, question mark SM Baumbium, and it's a manager, your friend Eric Tanaga of your bomb paymana, and your Tanaga and San Fernando Panano Paya, Nam Omiam Pibon Sansa, Xavi situation SSR from Enria at Debasi and Anopeno, Ebetimi Amono Sukocha, your friend Satan Hack, and some Dutch assessor at there. Say a Drubabi Basa for Casa, Mupa Jules Kunti, one say Xavi a bar. Obetimi Adenaba, player Baka Manchester for Panapa, and why Frankie the Young, one female. Asamin ko ade obaso ye adwuma Xavi me no ka said ya me say kan nyina no sa manyum panu fo no bi awotide bi say wonya coach I fan say Xavi ade no ba one born ebe ye fe 2 and what Manchester big team as I say one attraction akwa bibi ono one did pass a mini channel abasa attracted ama Lamasia players ni so babejinam and some adama bonsa and what you are brand as a man you mom wa bra Manchester wa kwadabi and so kwabi mainu so otimi de la min jamanom and family personum and so aya juma dia and kwabi mainum and some one of the best players as I see so yani ebehu our bra juma no one some adama coach your fan Zavi and I man you so dear one some aguso omomanita now bonsa one say yaman to just say Omahubi na o mana we aba ai na mama kweda na ye fa no sa family person na mo promoting ba ne boy say wo mo say free na akurai akwada bi o popo edema Lamasia on Lamasia for no ye 14 ebia 15 obenya 16 aresele lami yama mo bae wo mo se sabuni pani si akama Lamasia omo beto nipa ne buo ni mo e de free 20 and your cover Sabia by 30 million euros. Yakasa Betreska, a quarter could I get 30 million. One shall 120. I had your boss of Fono and some other Somoye. Now, my goalkeeper, your friend Sergi Roberto, and as a goalkeeper, no, I am Mark Andra Testegan, Roberto Yakapito. Now, to say Testegan, Tiano, and after the game, I promise you 2. Emma Ameria and some Antimiantino and Comodagusu Alcoso, Numa P and Elco back and forth, and yate. Now, Intia goalkeeper and after the game, and also Akasai.
Okay, against Real Sociedad, we made a very good game. I think we competed very, very well. Today, I think we, in some moments, we weren't really defending perfectly. But also, yeah, even though they created a few chances, but at the end, I think we take the 3 points home in a so-so game, I think.
Yes, no, just I know I am some goalkeeper fans, Mark Andra Testegan, and I'll tell you, I didn't say, you know, and my chef for an anno pay, and some our shows archers and in India Kakra, and some from a debantinia, some more, and Panaphonic in Ababadu say, one more chance of bus a plane about arriving, and some our Barcelona make a show say, one more drew Barcelona straight, one more room, and so our baby fans of Bonsa, one more training complex, so said a meeting, and so about so our Brian say, Assemna Zavi Cocaine, and no crano, no board members be born person, Ameria, and one gomba, Kubin, Shakramo, Kabasa Luzuna, and come home money for flight in the grammar. That's Uncle Radaro. I go back to the crisis, I know, and some update tabana player. Your friend Luka Modric, no, minim your one, and I'm naming the Obia catcher Massa. Modric, I call Crescent Frankie the Young. Ye, Jacom walk was a me. Mema Cocrums, oh, when you need Yabama befitting or said that I'm a moderate as a crime be also Wabasa Real Madrid on some American catch or say I didn't tell too. Some Modric Estadia and your Karim Benzema, Jason number 9. Then you have Mbappe, Ache. Now Modric, Aqua number 10, Wafa because Modric no, and I'm no cast also already Yabeka Yabra and a Tabia Sompa. One more say many Jarabas and Kabia, Luka Modric and Tony Cruz, or more stand more, and some other court next season, Sarabea. One more some about me, Akoswa, but Atea, one more Tidia Basa, Bribia, many Jarabe changes. Emma Modric, Abba Free Bench, Ababiano, no Montemon, I excellent, our throw, and what you competitiveness was show and it's a subai our identity and culture or I pass on at the man Kodana woman so our Madrid you know I come up and say oh fear na only penny fear dear woman did a parcel commander chaya busia penny and ebias when you are to cruise and our son kakrano woman sama Kodana etna na Madrid chaya the minion say as some many jana caninti yes a club and then a casania 1 year on France so already my catch say on found so about Tennessee so number on about me step beyond I get this season archers and commodity you know and some negotiations are and no and some nagusu alcoso and to say Ronaldo maybe a chumbaya now Raul Gonzalez Blanco Asha 7 Obetumi catcher who say Osha 7 Man Unity over 7 Mount Derby Ronaldo Bashai 9 Raul Kono Bejen 7 18 Mbappe and so back Karim Benzema 9 no Wabeje na sempa Kobase bia Modric akwa wafa 10 ti dia kan nyina no sa Kobase bia announcement abadi no and some say the scenario no and some nobesi akwa e wa bra no so update and also Lukan Vasquez and so dia no woman ne kasa boy no abesan o wie pe omodo ma tension be kwa akodan na ye fa no say Danny Kavaya I just I was so nyina no and some Stante Adama Bobokua. Your friend Rima da Fay. Mama Enra playoff game at Chesanum Pasua. And open up the update. Tama be catch Premier League in a way and I qualify at Jaba. Na Enra, Robert Kobas and Norwich, Aquaway, Womaluzu 4-0 at the Leeds United, no, Amalis, I qualify for Wembley, one more chance at Dumpton, and some game, and I was a bustle. Now, I brought Southampton about Joba, couldn't say, first leg, Norwich and Leeds about 0-0, and a Southampton on the WBE, and some about 0-0, and they. The tennis and Wallis I shall 4 and Tina Southampton and so much 4 and Sana Genesia Quadanessa Wembley no Yabenya Southampton and Leeds and Asana Tree Yabenya Chazabobo Crafan WB and some NHS Leeds and no I had 26 of Testamantana San Camino and no some about me a bustle. Now my main fan told him say who call a Yabobo Crafans and Norwich Omaswaya after Sir Cobas and Ra or round a year to me Adama Norwich want to me unfit to non qualify your friend David Wagner, one say I'm about Sakeno because a Juma shows and went to me and David Wagner, Adam Norwich, no, one some Janako, I'm an Daniel Farka, one other chess or your manager, Adam Abokua, your friend Lease, Omunano Germany for now Daniel Farka, and was say, Jinto signed a contract, Emma Lease, and say, Obaso signed a club on the upper Premier League in more, as a Premier League in a day, and here dance dear BRBM at the best league. We are say, and almost say about Wembley, one more game to go. One year motive no, and a qualification at about Premier League anymore. Woman say about me, I can Daniel Farka at Kasai.
I spoke about this before, so I've signed for this club because I want to return back to the Premier League. So it wouldn't have signed for any other club in the Championship because the last time I was in this league, I won this league. So it's not like I'm too tempted to win my first promotion anyhow. But last season I was in charge in the German Bundesliga, also not a bad league, and I've had to prepare also a big club for games like Borussia Dortmund and Bayern Munich. I want to return back to the best league in the world. That's the Premier League, and I want to work on the best level. But I also signed a long-term contract because I also know how difficult it could be after relegation. First time of asking to return back is never easy, and you can't plan it. And once I signed the contract, I was carefully optimistic. But when I came here and saw what happened also with all this contract and how we were.
Yes, I know I am manager fantasy Daniel Farka and I'll tell your Danny accepts Emma Natchez a dangerous sign here at my least and I say I don't qualify at the Abaya Premier League. My face, Mamma United, a manager. Na owe fan set Ten Hag say I'm say washamu nyina mo boy nyina ya wa ha ya twa ya say we will surely be there nyame ya doma osmo kwawe Brighton mo kwaje 3 points apa eno ye 1 ana FA Cup final Wembley mo say kwaje trophy no at the aba Old Trafford manager no able to say weekend mo bo Sunday way to Brighton Brighton game no say na mo for so at the United manager Ten Hag.
Okay. And of course, again, it's a typical style of play, Brighton. I admired the way they approach the game, and it's a real challenge. So we're really looking forward. But yeah, it's up to us. It's up to us to get the right plan, to get the right execution. So to play the team in the best way we can, and then it's about the players to get the win.
Yes, I know I can't fit manager fan said Ten Gasway, and so I did Bama fan to one say weekend in Yamea Duma. I Sunday and simultaneously matches in Nano and some Ababaso. Now, Jamensen can as a press conference out and also Abaso be at Yasha Semeno Kasai, manager fancy York Club at Diano, where we are now Oko Aye Chelsea. My man fan to one say manager a local time or Shuki about 12:45 and a coach. You found a porch and so press conference, you know. And no Ababaso Sunday at Chelsea and some on a Bournemouth and elbow. Now, Jamensen can say from last 2 days at the Banese Paraguay could be a woman and so a friend is Ramon Sosa, Ayobia or your box to box was on the ball. I can't go so no was here kind of Tayares. Now, Jaminian sir, yes, not Chelsea fan as one panel. I'm a so called Ayadesa Paraguay Honoma. Once a point release clause, I $20 million. Where you in dollars, I'm yes, Chelsea. say womo ebetua na yeso mo didi e pass na open players ahoden mu womo so betimi aba e Premier League mu a wo de ahwema Lisandro Martinez Argentina for South America for no womo ye tawe womo tata from as a Gary Medom asefo no bi na ha anti womo didi e pass na me no kase no yeso poach ayobia South American football on friend ya go tawe ayeso ama monitor koda on sa kodana ye no Ramon Sosa ayobia bono wonum animpia omo beso omo deneba and what Michael Olise dia no woman ni adaso edi e kire dem Manchester United woman an favorite as of now Chelsea akoda na fan sa Michael Olise woman so mabetimi edenaba na Liverpool announcement and say ye want to just akoda na fan sa Joe Matip omo se omo dana say ye we season oko and what Thiago Alcantara ono so omo dana say ye we season ono so continue Liverpool no momranta ne mienu Thiago Alcantara and Joe Matip omo mienu nyina no and some Koyokin club I say boys no I'm on a goodbye. Now goodbye. I boys no and some Jamano. I yes some your barbecue. Barbecue na madika kajos I say. Momo kone bi amo totomo na mne kakra dia takano. Stick. I tell some other boys ni shana emotional. Now momo no boys a day before when the kind of staff ni nyina so your barbecue. And I just send we yano when the players no so amo barbecue a goodbye. Yana Asia so ni pabi ebe sign 9 years any na fe adebete was oh I just very emotional. Coach and fans club and I know pay the pre-match conference. I say one of some other man central for
knowing that everything around the game during the game will be completely different. Yesterday the players said goodbye in their way. We had a little barbecue here. It was really nice. The day before yesterday was with the staff of Chapel Street. It was really nice. Sun hit the stadium after that. Another goodbye celebration, whatever. It's a lot, and I had very emotional moments, of course, in between. But it's a lot to do as well. I'm not sure.
Okay, yes, I know a Liverpool manager now Tessa ya Denin Semino, Emma ya chief for an anno pay life, as I was shown so. Now, German said, can you answer manager? No, one was son about video assistant referee. I had the carrier to him, sir. Nyamiarma next month, I had yes annual general meeting, Ebabaso. Now, I'm 40 against her. Now, just say, yes, crappy VAR next season. Manager say, the best work can you answer, or more 200 no. Woman any moment you said they are discussing. Now, one on one so about Cockrey, South so free, a VAR demo, and you're joined to one some call to a banibia, about 40 young scrappy video assistant referee, and free Premier League, and non by some Amani Janadia Tuka. Also, we can the Arsenal, about Everton, our fear, your Man City, answer the West Ham, Massa, goes ever flow. Now, send on your Fulham on so boy. Now, Fulham, I cut down our Brazilian fans, Andras Pereira. No, Musana said, Money City, Brian, to send us a ha, Sangrofono. No more bar. Just a muju be through in some wild tree out of boat, no maje. We yan sound about boat, no maje. Just a decision make homogeneous in a man of coquette said, yeah. As and Quada and then Pennyforce are your outdoors versus are your children. When a man still for bars and a bonnet here, and Timoya and I was time na could say that Massa Bayama, Papa Makwachama Mufu, Amasa say, Wamusam Mother Sunny at your Gomus say, Mansil for some of the Omuncosia Arsenal. One more train, bought FA Cup New Year, and a trophy parade, Ababaswa, and no and some Abaso manager, your friend Michaela Tata. Yes, one also crazy, so I adapt your fossil. I prepare for the game. Yes, the small details. What to me go as far as be an opponent to the coach, no, at your press conference and what should be no tea. In Tiasembia, Beke, Kitty Beer, or bet me a creative video from and Tampa. Not as I take a fashak, Mamako Poto. Yes, almost I had Yabisomo Quaria. Ambassador be Arsenal because be an boys no e feel it say omo popo e wo home entumunam e bia chese tokro no mu kwa tan no mu kwa bo some pictures abobo ho ahaya way e wo poto na so plus no mo nyawe o wo mu wu a chese corridor no mo no mo say ye picture omo feel it say de wo mo popo e wo home san no ma we nyina no Arsenal any this season a chese no and some update e ba ho sam nyina no ya dem ye for unyanje ka ba ko brand bus and you know we shall surely be dead. Oh, Arsenal for the Shark was I know party Shark me so Arsenal for Bas FO. Oh my also mo so ma Tumpasa okrum. I league on my genocide over Tumpasa. Asa wo money jare kra no na so bi akonsari ya share busuefo na wo bi da oh di almost sound the ribbon abobo ade no ho to say the akola bi di ni birthday
omo de ba be jo moni
won si say
obi akan bibi a che omo na
say omo de omo nim say West Ham baby bi o say PS Morgan mo nyina say West Ham Sherman City na thank you for Declan Rice
is that the omo
bofie City zu bofie
era omo keka na omo nyema pepun
oh okay
omo ma de tia be say Luta mo ne has bi ni
Sade, nyoma bobo dressing room kwan so.
Unam we mu kwa ase na corridors ni mu kɔ no. Enti hu a ase o bobo e wa we no. Anya no mkoji tu no we porto de no. Na se na revelation.
We manager na.
Se sa ni o mani nyina no. Se te so mo kwa we a we Porto Champions League.
Yes.
But it's league baby omo kwa we biare ade no.
Omo yes ade.
Go ma dressing room mu ya what say de.
E omo fie.
Omo ne.
Aja bende. Yeah, popcorn na Sunday ya kwa dey besie.
Erazoshia. Dey besi bia no. Erazoshia. Akomia obi am akwa me fancy na edi. O no obre, ozo be ko bi asem. O bebi edu no kra no.
Yeah, you live see that form.
Mutimi ka sai. Ana ya nya season papa na Chelsea for 3. Yeah, no mo nya season papa.
Ba emo agra fancy akomia na ni age sa no. O team idea ko ya be se da hu.
Mo shock me kra.
Team nana. O na say boy Africa final.
Etu mo so mo be gia na.
Every final.
Na sa kuruwa na mo de kuruwa na mo de mani ato so no. Why na se mo be gia?
Na once na nim say so yentimi nia.
I'm coach no on behalf of the players.
That's why. As I can see, I'm from Francis Di Maria. Wa pomo de die rama ma no ne komo no akwari ama Michael Komia Jamfi e wo fidie ma be na ya bomo de etimi atas na mo Leicester Ghana Limited zemenka Enfa Jose ne o maba e de niema odora bedwama so e beboa na etimi esiesi usen ama onuma ye hwama na afia boa ama wo kaso obi hu na edu enwumre na ofa keys na ye uzampa da sani na numu ehwam ye papa ni na nzo mo bomo de ya toothbrush no e na afia ya toothpaste no ababa bebaze na de tie ni ye zi ne brushes awodona e bi ze mo na do princess and afedu she sebi ze de ekwede man kwada nketo ne mema no ni nyina de aba na aba be roma ebo ama ne madadi mpa etimi ere man ze brushes ne gugum e obi wa no ede ebi wa no emre e obi wa etimi rua be bia ama ne ma keka osim no utimi enu bi na yas for no etimi ere be dwama so nya no nko omuri two face awodona aba yas total care e be boa bo se no ban se echinam no ama na nya hoden sonko e na yas eba no e boa yi ne ma bi akeka osimo ene yarewa bi e wo bia no e hweboa yi refio na ya swite ne no eboa ma osini ye fita obi wanum na wo kasa confirm zampa akoyi ne se no osiese ni ye pa no obesiese ni ya yas product no abomoden etimiera ye boa ma na makoyi pere ma mo de no ye adwuma papa wan hwe ye kra be kaze bia magic bi ena no mo de egu ma eboa ma na ma deda ye so etimiera ma na afia saboa ama na makoyi pere ma ntu pedodo na to a oro ni jemo edum pizza cake around about no obenya dodo na to na betimi afọ mo number wato mo nkra bebi a obi adi abro 0501 3903337 0501 3903337 0501 3903338 0501 3903338 niambwa nane mandeda yepa entimi enfama admission na de tie zane obana twe JHS nso ne wie no BC no na cheze placement no ehwa ye de etimi ra mana kwenya ba z from SHS1 erekwa kokoro mo free no ye bre ne aboa ne agye akra na mane makwe na ba bi obekọ no St Andrews SHS ni na ze omudwuma di omudi no ya de adamu shonko ana afi so no omo aboa mankwada etwe ho na twetwa nti ukra no wakwa akotwe obebi na mfa obetimi awumo na wabomode akwa akotwe ahim na aboa na ne ma de dadi mpa etimi ara ma no boarding facilities no ye kaja akra no ko obesua de ahu pa uze ya na bebi baby a wotena sua de no so no ya de ehia nya baby abekọ na dede ntiatiamu edu na adwa beda no na ososo so da ye bia ti me pa cho ramuni ambo ma de man ko ye pentimi enfamantie St Andrews SHS na also de akra ne ko ekokowura opomo a oro ne chema sinfo so a ene omone rich femina e wo premises ba ko na medikin aka so form na mane omu di nkoma ye bebo na aba no baby apeso di nura bia no ye timi ne 024 469 6911 024 469 6911 020 789 1004 020 789 1004 na ne wa bomodena St Andrews SHS odi akra na wura na abo amane ma dadin pede amama menko Michael Akomia Jemfi Nana Jemfi the sports messiah wa apostle one afri my guys I bodu enso anu meboa mane ma de dadin petimi edi ema mentality monsters na
oh yes
bibi aboko de
oh ahwe ni experience
minu shia ya chu
masade
mentality monsters
ade mama nweme ho
na de na mfa na
tie me e say you final e say you final nti munya abotre munya abotre fama yen
mentality monsters
go also say the players from a prepare ni nyina no omo ba kakra na final no
mo be yo mo aduma
e fiere ntu a
Pep de emze nkobo bi say na yo po not titi bi say na okasa na dana so na bia ba be no fe
ade nya abotre you see results
okay
your eyes go see
but
let me say abudia bi
Rezera me say fia de e fia nyina no eze me na me wo see no me na me
because say na team jina na so pa
as I board Chelsea o ma san de o mere yin
Balumai
Apostle Barcelona so no o ma san
etokwa class
I was about to say modern
warfare. Oh, na se be ka to. Enya ade. Ya eni.
Ati bo amu ni say ade.
Oh, ya eni. Ti ya high.
Na Balumai.
As I want to let me be able to there. Now that's what Chelsea.
Oh yeah.
Or that's all.
Yeah.
Baba Sao.
I say. Oh, Chelsea yes, Man U.
Hey!
I'm telling you, this is the most useless top team, Man U.
Yo,
this is.
I found baby me no ya dream.
Oh yeah, te.
Oh yeah. Oh that fate in between fourth, fifth, set. Yeah, that 13, 14. Yeah, what be sound?
Yeah, but final.
Papa Ben now.
Why there?
Yeah, for Wembley. Yeah, for final.
Yeah, no,
yeah, for Wembley.
Yeah, no, yeah. Oh, I no edi kan wani mu afi na akoya abotre.
There is nothing Man United have done this season at Chelsea in here. We've been better than you.
Ono akubi aba o nkoyo kan
better than you, man. How hon check o go difference.
What spend 1 billion, one free 30 for better o be catch us why are there.
Agomia.
O go difference basa.
Na just you all asem no kan e no ko mo ya de chem.
And mama Chelsea
they did not buy.
And then opposed to TV.
They say no Man United fan is entitled to say Chelsea asa. Man United fan be anywhere yeah entitled to say Chelsea asa. Man U fan. Nadia the Papa Ben or my.
Nadia the Papa Ben at Chelsea.
I am okay, fine. Let's do it.
No, Bibi Papa Ben.
Mabia tu. Oh, Mabia
let's do it. In your period of decline, you have nothing to show for.
Oh, okay.
On Chemi, at the Papa Ben am I? The mama ya momo say, oh, and Mourinho beji Europa League no. Chelsea trao.
Oh, okay.
You have no entitlement. Money share. Your league, your Champions League, your Europa League, your FA Cup.
Yes.
Bobo.
O common di na me de Bobo.
I was at Chelsea team the good. More figures and quite am I.
Very good.
Man United, no fan of United from 2013 has an entitlement. Oh, Chelsea, their master on a team name there. Oh, sure.
On a point of entitlement by going 13 years back. You're not a category no choose.
Yes.
The man for sin say and I'm say you're not a category
in the post year
and I'm a boy.
That's no can
and further the discussion. Oh, that one I agree.
Okay, but
I agree. But the first jurisdiction we were talking about was even talking about this season. I don't know picking the jurisdiction.
Yeah.
I don't say post Fergie. Fine. I want to ask him a question. In the Premier League, another Premier League teams here bubo dini nyina na. Ya ka se Premier League kese pa wan na age.
Oh no, we are not.
Oh, you chose your jurisdiction. Abu Otusu or no jurisdiction.
I will not even
Miki asem no kan say maintenance all the money you come Ferguson
and I'm saying, question me ban we ya.
Why me?
One aji Premier League say o Premier Oh Debbie. One aji Champions League say.
Asem no kan no dey konsa dey akwachi.
He chose his jurisdiction and I'm choosing my jurisdiction.
It will be very serious.
We were all talking about this season until he chose to go back to Postfegi. So I choose my
mentality monsters.
Apostle, he chose his jurisdiction. I didn't force him to choose that.
Say, so the argument started, sir.
This season.
Chelsea na nyade, and also United only to me can say anakudo say nyade because we cry nyade change this season. Then he said, sir, the legendary Ferguson post the era no be say no. United fan be a crowd near kudo betimi aka say Sebi United are the Chelsea. So the argument should be centered from that. And yes, sir, when we are looking at the overview in relation to achievement in football between Chelsea and Manchester United, then we can go there. Because Fergie Koye team name
Apostle, and I have not argued that.
Anti RFU
you can't force me to choose someone's jurisdiction. That is it.
So I can't tell you what to do.
No.
Oh, okay.
On the choosy, on the Obia
I can't tell you what to do.
Okay. About this season. And I told you campus is here and we are still in the final.
Okay.
And that is the reason why I'm to me say yes, your performance and this year day. Yes, because we haven't yet played it.
I mean, I'm off Marco Wembley.
Yeah.
Marco.
Yeah, Liverpool.
Marco.
I'm okay day.
I'm on with the now what the area.
That is the reason why you can't tell me say my season has been a failure.
Okay, me na me judge wa.
Until the season is complete. Until we can't say the season has been a failure.
Me na me judge wa. Baby a watch me call me pay after Ferguson there no.
So
any afi.
So also
Obi abehu agenda be. Every kina be na me man afa bara apostle. Asemi na sha season. Me say fia. Me na me obi a. Metimi aka football ama ni dia dey. Ababa. Adwomo numa chu obi a. Wo me Madrid fan. Lutaken dia kura timi be tra nka bi. Ko asena ne de omo ye no. And I would me Kabiti Michael Bay and I may chezo. Teams no apostles on what dear to Masuro or Monya. And I'm a check Michael so almost yeah, Michael so what dear to Namum or check out modern mona or money at the Chamunti area fino. And a Ferguson dear no can I be out there corner there.
Fiasa Modi Kabekai. Onya me man ka bibia amfa and I told him say let the season end then we'll come to a conclusion whether you had a better season than us or not because we are still in the FA Cup final which is a major English trophy. Number 2 and yamana me forcing say on choose say go back to 13 years and I am compare Ferguson and you want to choose in the jurisdiction so how can he have the right to choose his own jurisdiction of comparing teams? Now me mean choosing me own jurisdiction of comparing teams. It's not fair.
Oh wait my fa ba me no de no me mfa.
Okay and I
no wait my fa ba me no o de no me mfa. You are the apostle can no credit my obey the Chelsea compare Man United. And maybe they be paying 30 years
they whole pen on or comparison. Me I will not even do it. Obianiwa we di football echi beyond 10 years oba bet now compare Chelsea and Man U.
Yes.
Nobody would even do that. Wow, yes, and there's a ball no on Tiasie.
No correct.
Chelsea and yana fair and Man U. Simple. But the fact is, you have been useless in the post Alex Ferguson era.
And this football only played right post Ferguson. Post Ferguson.
Oh, Akomia was when you.
No.
Yes, post Ferguson has 7 years.
No, football started post Ferguson era.
No, but was
football started post Ferguson era.
Akomia, onya why you so be TV ana. Meba, me na program no. Me there na me say. E confirm you titim me say post Ferguson I don't want 7 years.
Me apply for stadium manager Old Trafford. Now they were so this about this year not move for.
But there was a reason why in here. I shall say no go far the way na me catch say I want to focus on a different subject.
This year not move for the Old Trafford though.
There was a reason why I'm a cast.
Disaster management.
I don't want to even engage in that.
And if you that, near the open abinya. A kibia me masene ba Kubama. But we have a pela be do be fa wala be. 13 years Ferguson ko. My Chelsea yard ye chemo.
We are going to what you know the say errors come to an end na there.
Tell me Abu. Anywhere you want to take it to. It's more or less like for say the type of argument on me. Meanwhile, initially the whole argument was not even about that.
Why not force it?
That is because you want to take me to 13 years jurisdiction, and I'm telling you, it's one. Football did not start post Ferguson.
True.
No. And number two. And Beba. Why should I say anything about it?
It is true.
No, why should I say anything about it? Football did not start post Ferguson. Football started doing post Ferguson and also after post Ferguson and the whole argument was about this season. That is what we are sticking to. This season also a performance change. Okay, fine. You must see season and day.
Oh, okay.
We have an FA Cup final to play.
Mobeji Afasoso.
Abu Yemore.
That Mobeji.
And with me, I believe Manchester United is going to win it. The FA Cup.
Oh, okay.
What am I saying? I believe so. Manchester, if in clause conditional, Manchester United should win the FA Cup. Will you come and sit here and come and tell us that Chelsea has had a better season? No. Won't mean because I ask him no. Even Manchester United winning the FA Cup, no car. Arsenal crab the Joe Manu crab because you're also second in the league near the idea. No. Won't mean because I ask him never.
Oh, I see me say that be perfume. But football is a chance here.
I did not choose that jurisdiction. And that is not my argument. Nobody took it there. On one, I didn't add your call.
What's the Chelsea?
Maybe.
Yes.
On one, I didn't add your call. On one, I didn't add your call. Me and Yaman, I'm a Cassie and Kofa, forget me, man, Kabibiasa. He chose his own type of argument.
And I also can't say Chelsea near the Omaboka 1 billion.
Oh, I said this year, Omaboka 1 billion. Now, maybe I would then be there.
I know what is over when you change one.
Jose, and I believe Omaboka 1 billion. Maybe I would then
this year, Omaboka 1 billion.
Omaboka 1 billion.
So, what was that? I may shut up and I'm out here. Wait to her. Once the Oka 1 billion, what tried this season there? And I would take I hope you get it now. So you picked what suited you. But the fact remains, in the last 10 years, your net transfer business is a negative. Chelsea, they are positive. Yep. You have wasted money than Chelsea. Okay, there's a net transfer in Chemu.
Okay.
Sika wuyi dia koto players, any sika wunya every players are woton. Enti akekani na bomwa. Then you say who did ni ye. Because we a businessman. Obeyi sika dia kowra o business nim. Obehwe se emfaso so be free ma benti akeka bom na sika wuyi ye no ebro emfaso a onya ya na say why a business na boka.
Oh, okay.
Simple. So net transfers in the last 10 years, ma waste discussing Chelsea. And Chelsea's transfer business na positive crano. Was also the GBB then now the aye. I'm Mobra team. I'm Mobra.
United I'm
telling you for a fact, United is a big club. Nobody will even do that argument. But in the context of discussing Chelsea and Manchester United, who has been more purposeful and useful with money, investment, and even a football plan, in the last 10-15 years, United and Ben Chelsea baby are. Mom Ben Chelsea baby are. So no Man United fan has the moral right to taunt a Chelsea fan. So na Chelsea for their massa omonyade. Hey, now they are now why? Why? Your biggest achievement has been winning the FA Cup under Van Gaal, winning Europa League under Mourinho. Please, Chelsea fans will contain and then will swallow a lot of taunt. Every Madrid for no one Abu.
Okay.
Muni brapa pebiabo in the last 10-15 years. Into more yeah, the not before you go Trafford. Yeah, disaster management.
I know it's
stadium. Open why say you for Old Trafford
15 years.
But transfer we. But Enrique Casemiro so as a man for that boom. O question na bibi.
O ma men kasa.
Da ko me wa asema.
Mike akasa wi.
Da all can on the records go say.
Se o ma men kasa na.
Transfer business ri ade.
Me kan wa asem bi.
O be kasa yeko.
Me kan wa asem bi.
Yeko.
Debi.
O kasa.
Debi. Me what I know.
Na o team ye papa.
Me what I know. Tell me.
Stanford Bridge.
Abu, what I know in this argument that I don't want to continue again is form is temporal, class is permanent. I mean kasa bebre was mean argue, mean ko argue and go back to 15 years ago. Because if you're even starting from 15 grandpa be sha say if you be 2009 I say be 2011 whatever. I don't want to even go there. With the Premier League from 2011 about Ferguson maybe 2013. I don't want to even go back. Me pese be go back. What I know near say over England nyina ye ka nipa awadi European trophies kese abeka se Liverpool. Ye ka se hwan and the Premier League kese abeka se hwan Manchester United. Ye ka se hwan and the FA Cup kese abeka se hwan Arsenal. Ye ka se hwan and the League Cup kese abeka se hwan Liverpool. See e bobo sa list ni nyina dey go on ma Chelsea you eda hen. I don't engage in such argument with such a small club. No.
Chelsea a small club.
No.
But I come on no.
Class is permanent. Yen kasa bebre.
Now obia.
That be class is permanent.
Ba be branch. Man City say. That Man City e krakete pa.
No matter what.
But say so go na so bo Manchester be Cuba dey ka be Manchester City.
Oh, dem na wa okuta phone. Wa look ade a wo bo.
Na me phone e o dey. Me Manchester City na ba.
Phone algorithm. Ade a wo bo most of the time. Sometimes you even pick up your phone. Oh boy, ana de ko dey na yaba.
O be kire ayi enti ye kite for da bia Man City na ebo shim. Amza.
Manchester City no matter league titles or but they said Real Madrid too. Edunre bi na Barcelona dominate jeje nyoma bebrebe. Wo betra ba ya we said be. Mo be jeje nyoma be jeje. Wo be Champions League na dadi na Real Madrid remains Real Madrid. Class is permanent. Form is
no obi anyi ho achinyi.
So that is it. So why you worrying yourself?
Barcelona wo form say ni. Untimi mfa teams bi.
So why are you worrying yourself?
But the end say last Ferguson quit 30 years here.
No, and I may say football.
And I feel so no.
Football. I will never rate Real Madrid according to a Ramon Cadron era. And I say be a Real Madrid. Why should I go back to between the period where Real Madrid was struggling and
but we go in there come here kan nyina mo fan to. Mempe da bi akom ya be ba betra be bo yie bi akosi yie bi apostle. Obey so ba be kan one say oh eno ne de enya me pa. E bo make cover de ne ba e na o check here 30 years no. Masanti no person be kan one say o person ya na twim say football shots enya 30 years.
I don't have any problem. Oh, of course I agree. Chelsea after post Ferguson Omaji League titles, Omaji Champions League. There is no doubt about Chelsea achievement within that period. There is no doubt about that. Me, I agree. Me, I'm tell. But my issue here say he chose his own jurisdiction of argument and a call. So I also have the right to also choose my own jurisdiction of my argument and also start from there. That is all. Assembly, I don't know.
Matter why?
Is the only man supposed to move him to one sem?
That you men are soon.
It was there. Me.
Watch me. Okay, say be our time no. Me chow the enimu dia man na wa ye ana mo pa mo nchenye. Za me mani bi. Me mare be ze. Za. Ba we emre no. Kabo table so kura bo de la.
Kro de.
E kabo ma bi anu nyina kura bo ta na so aka de be 5 minutes bi o. Za.
Yeah.
With you.
You say no. Baby, I have you that is still telling now. Any baby, I like see. I think you have to agree with him and feel and sympathize with him with situation now or complaining about. Laporta momo na da omo. The level of players at Real Madrid is signed by team know what Real Madrid is doing. No? If a man to two omo ye and spend it, and our man balancing and our man making sure economically omo is strong enough to even attract the best talent at the right price. Abu, a bet me take your mobile 5 years, no Muntiminji League in Real Madrid in sem. Yes. Real Madrid is not only buying because they Galacticos, but Real Madrid players no more since 19, 21, and 20 years for boys no.
Oh, now Barcelona have a tough for Manchester.
You see, there I don't know as if you have a canon. A beer the real state of Barcelona swatch will be out. And I don't pay Victor Font. It's also saying a lot of things concerning with Omusi Kasem, but I don't want to take him so much serious because I know political talks because Victor Font is your president in also bad. Obedi. And Javi so te tare ho sa no mo so bo adwuma.
So the oil. You see, me, Javi did not just speak as a coach.
Oh, okay.
That is one thing we need to understand. Your statement, making a very political. He's a figure in the club. He's exposing the bad economic state of Barcelona. Now, when you're coach of the club, you are like an ambassador.
Yes.
In German, say Ghana, ambassador, as man is one coach, Spain, no, now, now, was starting a Ghana crowd, corruption, galam say, anyway, no. You are not portraying the country in a better manner, good image. So in some no kind is the truth. But yenye baby ani eka truth and yenye debi ani eka truth, especially depending on your position.
Yeah, yenye no kribi.
Eduba kano kwenye nipe wo demo yina obeye.
Dabi.
Exactly. So he was not tactful. Now in the case of Laporta, what Javi has done is training who free situation him. So if in the events last season now year, who does the blame go to? Laporta, Deco. Oh, players coach ne pekro man fama. Then a bet affect Laporta Netanya. He's a politician. He has a tenure or a mandate to run and a mandate to execute, just like Deco. No so one idea. Already, Deco has been under scrutiny with signings via Barcelona for now. So when the face of the club, who is a legend and an idol, Ebekasa, just watching him with him the Mumuatum. And let's not kid ourselves. The summer will be difficult for Barca as well.
Summer, no?
Yeah, a bad day. So, a mom situation now, when things get a bit complicated, them fans never start here soja. Eddie Gu, a year president, ne sporting director.
Baba Suna Pa Miki, I'm a former president, no how mo pa. I want to talk. The Billy Mune continue. How mo pa. About that, I come here, you should know candidates here. Whatever. Madrid for the signings no more.
Good.
Omotis akrabu a holding ball ba na o makotona ba. Omo de ne ba na o ma find ways bia ma akra no. Aba be se wo hu team ne so.
Madrid so far period na Barca name ni bi. A cycle. Sana football.
Oh yeah, den beto.
Good. One. What Barcelona has been about. Ye beto bi there. By so promoted from within, and that is ongoing. So they expect you say, wow, we're face of the club in terms of that direction. Come and speak to it. And right you Hector Fort. We Hector Freewa this season Paul Kubasi, Lamine Yamal, same Jabi, under you, Ana Alejo Balde, every boy.
Yeah,
Fermin Lopez. So the club is on track. Madrid has at least watching, but we are narrowing the gap or we are closing the gap. Until or more money you're competing, they should watch out because we are also coming. This is an ambassadorial talk. And just a watch about BBO. But if you create a huge disparity between one the elite, the top teams in Europe now, you are rather dampening spirit and you are killing off a potential investor. Maybe this can be Rabas and one man who says Basa Sika Semonya and Sesika Semonya. It will be that Laporta by and he came to inherit a very dire situation there. But if you honestly mismanagement, and my situation improve here.
Oh, okay.
And to me, a potential investor, it will scare me away. Two, say me sanso AOBia, me feel say Barcelona no fans na a great club in him. So if the fans don't get excited for the next season. In terms of Nyomo mobile tour, the services that Barca will render mobile patronizing, so better, and yes, the same name. So, a Nyoma bebre, ocean trasa from the football point of view, argument in our favor, Shabi.
Now, is your
also Nyoma could dear no monsato and Sash Shabuak you. Okosha Laporta, he promised them heaven.
You know, we don't quite say they had you on.
Yeah, me, I think they need to find a solution.
So next season on be facing this.
Now is the wine on coffee. Maybe watch never many will have to delve deeper into it.
That may make it.
Flex will find you between on Mumienu.
Took out their bus.
Me sign Tite Rafa Marquez with new woman.
Rafa Marquez. You see, no option available is better than Javi. Oh, option be available now, and you're better than.
As I was what is all menu for John Perry.
Oh yes. My phone ya repass and coming Javi.
But how the amount call
Javi Hernandez.
Man, you know, any football club, yeah. Now, say Vanga Kaimante.
Mate, oro chame, ori akomi amese shi arabu mare na mbra apostle ora me ni wiem na ne manda na mo boy chicken se men kan franchise ne o pa kokko pa o yo maso e na dwumadie na omobo no emu edi yi enti no ne yo matwamudi no sitie from BBC na kokko no pe local one no na jesi die da so ne efia akose bro yes na layers no on sabetimi aka bi omo de na halal e die nuanom nkramofo amane ane amamra mo ya ansa na mare nam no ni nyina edi afam eno ana nkofo di ho adanse e wono na odi bi yes to di bi bon kwan ya uzampa no nso na ede pa boys bi chicken on kwa na abomoden etimi nya na santi ne share na tabu no giza na players out on de man kraman no ni nyina onsa ne betimi aka bi na apo ama ne ma de din so no etimi era ma dwuma pa obonti ne branches ne doso nti ne sa ye na ababadi to na abade dodo na ababe hyiam no BBC no also gin kokoni bi bantama high street no si presbytery obenya bi asonwase market o wonya bi santase run about unity o no obenya poku trading na we dum SG mall oro ni chemo top high tech a obenya bi share Boadi Junction Farambai na to nkra ne emfa de number 0544 444 0544 444 ne mwa na ne man de ye penfa ma express group semenka emfa chos a manone nkomode e o maso ye makase ya hwe ne de ne ye de ne ko she islegun so ye Canada o wa no dizen kofo akatwi ni nyina nse o matwi na di eme antwundi na ne obakwa amanone akwa akoye adwuma obakwa akosua de ye beje scholarship ama eva no visa on sensen ticket on sensen no some ye adwuma ko mo pese mo koto arampo poso ne abusuafo no kokodi holidays baby et se Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Africa Germany express group na robeko na akwa akodwa mo yes international exam institution registration no be it IELTS no SAT no GRE no GM80 no to for ne de aka account na be na nyaye etimi amanti fa mbo mo ne mbo na ne mande da 0249 000 448 0249 448 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 Kumase Asafu Labor Runabout to be your crack and she first light Unyom Tema Community 18 Lashibi Gory Filling Station no Unyom East Legon so no Amoben Trinity Theological Seminar Takra di Sunyane Tamale bibi eni baby omo wa omo eye dwuma na abo afmane amadeda ye pa etimi edi ama kama na hyehyɛ no akoyeti mame kwa apostle na meneno enwie wa manone ansa na yabana fisem no mema na bana ne amadere abazo bibi aboko de
bibi aboko na 2003 Muji Champions League
Madrid 2003 Dabi
I know what I'm doing, don't worry. I know where it ended. I know where it ended. Don't worry.
2003 year.
204, 205, 206, 207, 208.
Hobia ne encounter.
209, 210.
Honey encounter.
So you see, life is an error. When we go in. And then Jueni. So and Jueni, don't worry. Sanet here. Unti me dog. But so much. But so much. 2002 to 2014. How many years? How many years? So stop behaving like Madrid every year. Oh me bam. 2002.
But was that more? Yenemono. Different. But United. They over on my branch. On my branch. Who's the spell me? Oh, I don't. The woman say, yeah, na also no escafone sheda me room. But England the apostle and check crowd utimi Newcastle United. Omu nyina beba be someone you the exam there Old Trafford chance bia nso nyina fa kofu.
Yeah, Newcastle met me some money because of the investment they have from Saudi Arabia. But then some met me told me it can change from the kind of personal ombenya, you understand me? So if Ratcliffe wants to really do a proper job, he need to make sure say Onya proper sporting director to run the club very well. Or no, he cannot do those jobs. He could focus on get quality people who get the job done. From Eduardo also kill them. Yeah. To bad decisions.
So also why you there for schools when really more ayi ba kono kra ron kem wo holo da bia bo kofa coach bia ba obeka no asem bo de tokwa besi
da bia ba se coach no ye na coach no juma eso ni abedu baby no medi megu as that's how man must be tough in decision making. You see, when you're in crisis you must make sure when you're about take this, take tough decision, take bullet, forget about microphone kasa with time. Se team no yade omo mo kasa nyina so mo baba kaka se
oh is the team ni
so but also bet you omo e bet to aso sa baby o na no bo na you go well omo de se be say ehun ya yedi clubs mo ehun omo de
Yeah.
So they say when you munya de and you de ba ko you munya de. O they say post schools Rooney and say Rooney oko tran TV because Nancy. So they want but they need to take bold and tough decisions and give a proper direction to the club. The club is too huge for such terrible performance. But then I go back to Mikakumia. Your team do any caliber of coaches there, coach. And the situation they find themselves, nothing was not. No. On true. Mas I has not dealing me. I has and say a coffee and
Sompa Sports.
And I has or doing very bless. And you finish the judge new Makuva Masmuna and he Kanumuna or coach you. Who they are here? No. Those are just average young boys. So the fact that you win a league with an established club that and now confirm no, and don't just say you've arrived to coach a club. And the problems they are going through.
Shall I wear tower no shebolo? Hello, Boshelo.
And Manchester Baobana.
Hey, Ahomia.
Oba Manchester Bana.
Abu Yanko.
Oba Manchester.
Manchester asem na apostle. Can I make apostle? So he picture na or you sheboze. Mo beji we no.
But I no America. Well, omo boba se
Manchester yo dey abu.
Hey,
and no buy.
Omo na do
sa. And no buy ba.
Oh, W. Me no odi gun sene yeso a na me check ya. De no modern fam no na ma chirichiri.
Yo.
Modern fam. E no wasem na me kan. Apostle
Yanko auntie Shadrach Mami, the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, I like this. That's this. This is what we are waiting for. The whole world is waiting for this today. Ring of Fire, Saturday, Sunday and Upper, Now, some few things. My press conference, no, Tyson Free, Bibia, only a boxing or traditions. My boxing. Bakun, face off. That leads to a stare down. And no press conference, my main team your mocha. So before that, and I said Tyson Free FAC Usyk. That was the face off. Then the face off lead to a stare down. And no na do a neighbor shed no year off about me a piano crack.
So
a part of a traditional boxing more sebiu a ma ye ton boxing and we run so beam a summer chita for no or mugu fee or member bano. And you'll be African thing. Now a creative tension be a ma drama be a baba. I did a quite be as a sympathy. I go share and answer me subscribe from pay-per-view. What do I say? But unfortunately, where Saudi Arabia, USA, you'll be fined a part of a person will go because a part of the contract.
That was Ocean and
yes. No. And so one say you Usyk as 10.
Yes.
Because that is what he's supposed to do. Waiting for him to do that. But he's looking straightforward. What do I say? And I'm saying that because Saudi Arabia, I feel now more building the boxing industry there. So compromise like this will go on. By establish America, they will do it.
Okay.
Yes, they will do it. Even the greatest Muhammad Ali Mokra, they do it, not you. What do I say? But that's it. My interview, I mean, come Krebi Keke. Some of the two of them, the interviews.
Toughest night of your career. It'll be, I guess, the best win of your career.
I'm ready. I've got nothing to say apart from I'm ready for a good fight. And if it's tough or easy, either way, I'll be ready.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Tyson Fury. Just one more from you, Tyson. Just a message to Alexander Usyk. Anything you want to say to him before Saturday?
God bless him, and I'll say a prayer for him before we walk out, and we both get out the ring in one piece and go home to our families, because that's what it's about.
Fantastic stuff. Get the job done. Become.
Maminti Usyk responds to what Tyson Fury can.
About this, and why are you backing your man?
I'm backing my man because he's the best heavyweight in the world, and he's proved it time and time.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. All has been done. All has been accomplished. All has been spoken. One thing that can never be too much is gratitude. And I want to say thanks to the beautiful country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and its wonderful people for the warm hospitality, even I would say hot hospitality. I want to say thanks to His Royal Excellency, His Royal Highness
of Alexander Usyk. Your reaction to what you've heard so far here today, and of course your thoughts heading into Saturday night, the ultimate test for Alexander Usyk.
I'm sorry, the loud was very loud. I didn't hear much. Is that a question to me?
It's a question to you, Aegis. Tell us your thoughts on this ultimate test, the mountain to climb for Alexander Usyk on Saturday night.
Well, it's not going to be a walk in the park. We have a two toughest heavyweights men in a division today, and Alexander proved 2 times. He broke to somebody's dreams. I'm not going to make a names. Everybody knows about it, and the goal is here to break another goals. That's easy. And I have only one question for Tyson Fury. How did he find himself a lineal champion? Let me ask you this. That's all I have. My message going to be to him. Everybody calls him a lineal, but I would like.
Okay.
That
is what make. Boxing is boxing. Metro BB, quickly, me responding to Wade, then I go into a channel about a linear champion, and it's true. Wrong, so offering no linear. A linear champion is the best of the best. Wabu the best. Oh, okay. He's not beating the best. So, or no one or claim that's why I didn't offer on the linear champion. Because Usyk or a unified champion because he has 3 belts. Usyk linear champion, Nipa Wabu the best, and the Afros are Umbu the best. To the here. Yeah. So, but it's all part of it, part of the promotion, the drama around everything here. So, now, boxing tradition makers one of them the face off and the stare down. The other one, the biggest one, is the trash talk.
Oh, okay.
Make it be a So, the father of trash talk, Sonny Liston Muhammad Ali. Anytime the Sharaba anytime, Sonny Liston Muhammad Ali. Now,
go to heaven, I'll get him in 7. He'll be in a worse fix if I cut it to 6. If he keeps talking jive, he'll go in 5. If he make me sore, he'll go like more. If he keeps talking about me, I'll get him in 3. If that don't do, he'll fall in 2. And if he run, he'll go in 1. And if he don't want to fight, he should keep his...
So, Minister Shara, Obama, Ali share Sebi jacket, not the call way, Now, this Muhammad Ali, I was on a listing bout. So, on listing at the WBC heavyweight champion. And Ali describing himself, or a ugly bear. Bear, you cannot chum cross. Bear man as a. So, this on a listing. So, my this on a listing.
However, Ali arrived in the weighing room.
Boy, you so scared, he couldn't even walk. Man, I'm coming to the house at 2 o'clock in the morning looking for it.
Now, in fact, one of the reasons why Sadi Ejuma said, throughout the way, not Sebison listing a moto, or you din on Kasa, I said, the nearby aton so is one of the weapons of trash talk. Oh, okay. When you're mentally stronger and only inherent capacity within, but to me, I bet but that's what he does very well. Now, Osha, from that time, you have Mike Tyson, Mike Tyson, Frank Bruno, first one. You see the same thing. Niema Frank Bruno can't far Mike Tyson, you have no idea. So, Frank Bruno, so that's Frank Bruno on the right, Mike Tyson.
£5 million for doing nothing, and I mean, I've worked for my... No way. No way.
Caught him pretty good, one shot.
Very, very much.
Did you realize that you maybe stunned him a bit? Because it was furious after that.
That time I rocked him, I'm going to rock him to sleep. I hope Don King's got room in his lap.
All right.
It's interesting that Mr. Bruno's talking very brave and courageous, but we'll see.
It's quite simple. A guy from England is coming to whip his ass. It's quite simple, Charlie.
And he says, and we quote, nearly every single American I've run into wants me to teach Tyson a lesson. His own country wants me to kick his ass. Can I say that on television?
I can't really tell you how he's going to, a quick pace, fast pace, slow pace. All I can tell you, I'm going to win and I'm going to knock him out right into Don King's, hey, lad, only in America. You know what I mean?
So this we wouldn't have boxing their interest and exciting promoting boxing go for the trash talk. At the end of the day, he was knocked out. The two First one, TKO round 5. Second one, TKO round 3. But I never boxing exciting, very interesting there. So I mean, this bout is going to be big. But for me, I did back one. I can't why the pest Sikano. So one, Jay from broadcasting right was the ESPN Sky. They are going to do the live transmitting of the bout. Doesn't bear both media broadcasting and then also streaming on many scale. So the pest normally come from sponsorship, endorsement, ticket sales, and don't forget that we are 70-30. Tyson Fury is 70%. What they have available $160 million. Tyson Fury is taking $81.2 million. Pay-per-view subscription by one pay-per-view subscription is going from $24.9 to $70. So based on subscription numbers, and almost the new Kakrabe concept. So we see, but so Oma 1 million and Pharma Ukraine. Oh, okay. Part of the contract. So that is very important for us to pay. So 81.2 million there is taking that check already.
About so much, minimum chamber banner wababi reram na about to anyway. I was over for why.
Boko Makune Aite Powers. Part to pa. Part to pa.
As I go to a what? Without my better people, Rebla. I'm not to us where we are happy. They give you a to us.
na me tese wo ba no se wo kɔ Canada.
Woko, okosuku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okɔ na nso no de okɔyɛ adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akɔ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kɔ saa no.
Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Bese otukwa akwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekɔ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit and now turn so Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya juma so wadobeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafu Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying, Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, El High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our Mabebre, so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Binaunumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Dro say mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwa koto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje ejwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena de ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko dudie no so Ashford Galaxy wo de na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush card
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are good one dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me brow dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag.
Bra, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Mister Essia Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Mister Huadancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mister?
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one ma for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. She said, walk a hospital and answer lab. I'm walking, say, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba, a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. Higher grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no work at St. Andrews SHS. Oh, yeah, dinner ever pass. Oh, send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No, first one was Yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, Warren Jimbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Bibiara or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, School Wooden, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Kwa baba Gentleman Dental Clinic yedwumadi a yedi ane sɛ yebesiesie wo sen na yɛbɔ wo sen ho ban ama wo num enso ate anase wo sen animonyam so afa ne ntoma pa afira fei yɛsan ɛyɛ cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish scaling and polishing sɛ ebia enema bi ahyehyɛ esen no mu sɛ bi wo kasa etimi ma pampan ene ade eba mu afei ebi wo nso na ne sen wanya messing teeth ye wo ne si no ahodo bebree oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi wo Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen hɔ ɛna woduru enkran so a ye wo nungwa ɛna Atomic Down domekwa benya runabout no so hɔ ɛna woduru Takwade pipe ano traffic light na ɛwɔ pipe ano hɔ ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises ɛna Kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so hɔ a anase opposite AY Ahmed ɛna woduru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station hɔ traffic light na ani hwɛ G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron san no na edi hɔ ye adwuma free ɛda dwoada kopem ɛda memeda
Vodafone Ghana, Essa Ako Telecelo.
Aba unze ba kubu aiza Adebayo maami die ni bi eno jepe ache abunze na odwi mienu miensentem no na ahyase na aize pepa efidi ni ade bere opi die no ya ade otumu sampa ehyeyi papa edi na free di wallpapers no opi na so ye no se ekoko gibi bedside lamps no eno no ya ade unya na uyusu a de efre pa no ene ze o kanchema bi aba onchen na wadu main light no na waso bedside lamps no abunze so sa na da no so a ze didu abo white na modern beast na na bia ye ya na ema de ne ya kono pa nti ni na opi di bia ba nye no nko eba ni TV backlight na and they start running and shut down so TV ni asan so kan ya na isi so nko ade na apezo obo mode da kriti echi no na wa bomode etimi de backlight ni bia bo ti TV ni so so no abo se so color we na dum na so we na amademo no etimi efefefe ring light no ye de bia be no so baby girls no homo amoko TikTok no obetimi bia ba ne blind curtains na eno ana na ye use en kan de no etwam na afi plastic wardrobes out na ye de bi netimi aba center carpet and afi so no e ba na flowers out na wall clocks out na and afi no de kaka kan wa DCC dem ni na OP na so ye no so ko pe ba ko ana dodo na to a obaba won de no afa number ina ni OP etimi di nkomo no aboa ama so no say ke 0540 353 0540 353 ne no open edum PZ nana kwesi agema na banso no first floor na chese LFM chenwa era omo mubo eduma krono mba ya ho opsi krono market no first floor ho so no on sabe kom ne aboa na ne ma de din pa etimi era man ti o madaro ma yeko me mana ba ye ramu na afia fisem no yetimi edi ato aso era ma kena bibi aboko de
oh bra kwa kunyame adom
na eno aso ya san hye mo
oh Shadi Fatus Mame Tornado FC Dabi enu ekobo tutu atebebu Tornado FC yakobo eni Tuba Metro Stars won cry na ye che team no 2 enti first set no ehye Tuba Metro Stars 2-1 ena ye second set no esu Tuba for share 1-0
na say no ma hye mo
Dabi se score line ye 2-2 se first game na ye win ye 2-1 and a second set no say another game almost win 1-0.
Ah, ma shemo.
Ada won te de me kire na say na.
45 and bia body.
45.
Oh, okay.
Aha. The first 45 no. Yeah, the first set and a boy you win 2-1. Tornado 2 and you share way more Metro. And a second set no almost share 1-0. Intines o kabo ye 2-2.
Oh, okay.
Inti ye more 2 games. Ye win ye lose baako. Ena ye draw back.
About the kaze ya wow. Was only a church as a
there be some mountain to Tornado football 2 matches.
What that Fabico why? Manya will be with you to the Fabico why?
That been rebel 2-2. You about 2-2. Oh, that first one or the Tornado say 2-1.
What's a boy I want for you go to
na me adom so ahomachin o makodura tebebu asum bi sanyon mienu ne de ko ye rese di nations kra no
ade no kra da mo kale atweba ko achi awiele asem no
dabi na obi de no kofa oben ena e de sa campaign nam yes se be wie
se be wie na wie ne asem
da ka de ko coach ni we na campus ye pam no oni wona se enu abodro nti
dare Fabico bye
right yen shan sam na se wa fisemu na yemfa emamu ye roma yen sha se every player osi academy Rangers of Scotland yefen Mohamed Diamundi obakai sa player we abra Ghana Black Stars head coach even Otu Ado omudi adwuma no man first call up no wo ye senko fra brand Mohamed Diamundi amna ba abesi academy Black Stars ni nyina no say ofri Ivory Coast na mom obetra Ghana kakra ebo adwuma edima a right to dream football academy hono be yansa no kopiem wo Nordland abo adwuma no ntina ka Ghana ye be so bebo adwuma de ma na officially Abrantana rejected Ghana ye call up no wo hwe Ivory Coast the Elephanta omo squadder omo dia betu dwa omo de kobo eye World Cup qualifiers on the 7th and on the 11th of June against Kenya and Gabon no waka the elephant almost squad no a okobo adwuma dam te said ye wa reject Ghana o mebo emfa ema ye biem eno akine nwura mo Ghana Football Association aso ye ni nyina said the 30th ordinary section of the Ghana Football Association Congress si nyame pa eye August ena ebeba so ewo Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence ewo pram eho ena ebetuma ba so the GFA Technical Center na urama say the Executive Council of the FA ese ombetra from the date aba date ni ba na so mbe communicate na clubs ni various stakeholders obia hunu da dwumadie ebetimi aba so Zemrom wofu zone B under 17 tournament etodwa ewo Ghana University of Ghana Stadium ewo Legon enu ananka was second game of a Group B etimi baso abra the first game of Group B ebas na Burkina Faso game omo antimi antwatena esu ewom na enu achina second game na eye Niger ni Togo ena was the pem so na enso toye ama game no antimi amaso na organizers ne tenase na enano pay 9 AM ena game etimi ebas na game na nya bana wiye ama Togo eshe 2 man Niger eso she 3 ntekwa 3-2 edman Niger under 17 eno second game na se Group B omo eboye eso eno edete ene game bi amaso ene free day china ena Ghana ye group A Benin ni Ivory Coast ede ebepem so eno ede do ede mam eno na no pay yani Paul Anyaba we LOC member edma wafu zone B tournament to ebusan so panyini dwumadie na chance attendance no say any city change more de mai
Ghana first game no almost 65 to 70% capacity of the stadium. The stadium may be 20,000 and over. And nipa by who say university for no by especially Commonwealth for no about 13 SHS in Eastern and then Greater Accra our also by support to. Aside that there were a lot of people from the general public our mobile and the first day.
Na say utie de LOC member na kana na attendance na ye ohwa SHS maku 13 every Eastern region e be free Greater Accra omutimi ba so omo bae na say stadium no attendance na ye dwumadie ekoso na yenwram na owura mrem no si Academy Black Stars ye friend Derek Boateng eswa kasa e dia fa ex footballers no de oso omo ya e betwa me football no assign ababak.
We are not easy team to play. It's about time we all do something. Football is so big. I always say to people that not just coaching. There's a lot of things in the game that you can do. Scouting, management, coaching. There's a lot of things we can do. So it's about time we all get up and do something, and put ourselves in the situation that we can help our national team. Because you can see our game is really, really down. We have to bring it back. It's not by a rush. But we have to take the process, we have to go stage by stages before we can get there. So I'm really, really happy that some of the players are taking initiative and do something, Look, football is everything for us.
Football ni ye bibia demomo na ni age ese ex footballers ni bia chance a omo ye bibi enye coaching nko a obetima room scouting obetima ye we e de aboa na ni age pa na oso bia bibi ma football na ese akofom no esan esoro wie no se hwe okase na ni nyema ye ekin aisoba la ye Kingston na wadi intro di ntene ni age amano no enie.
And we have a very fantastic coach, great coach. Lai is a top coach for me, what they show in the case. You can see how they play, how they build up from the back, and the way they play. Even when they lose the ball, how they comport themselves and come together as a team and play. Lai is doing really, really a great job. I'm so happy for him. Somebody like him wins, we all win, So I'm so happy that, he's doing a fantastic job with the players. Because he came from that route, under 17, and now he's coaching them. So I think he knows a lot about the game. games and all about this tournament. So for me, I think he's doing a fantastic job, and the players as well. You know, you can see they are playing for him. They relate to him. Whenever he got up and give a message, he go across. They always change, you know. And you can see when you have a team and they are playing for you, the players want to play for you as a coach. You have nothing to worry about. You don't have to coach too much. You just, most of the time, you can see he doesn't coach a lot. He'll come out and say something and just buck up and just sit watching them because they know what to do already, which is really, really.
And no, yeah, Derek, what no say lie, I lucky. Osha 1997 under 17 or Wabobida, enti onim, and I'm quadano so no ye dumane demand until amanemre or ba no be not touch or can some kakrebi no akono akwatan chen lie. Future Blasters coach, the champion coach, say the Ghana had there open the local coach, dumane tactically. What ya say pay kin aisoba me tuche edmano so far nano sha na say instruction no ma nyina timi ya kama la yetuaso yatawachi na yemrom ewo APFAG yeromo Solomon Safu Taylor na Solomon Safu Taylor ye play bi enche na krata ba say kotoko play no ni din ho nsama kwa bebrenti omo de tabo ato no so na yerom nsam na kodane APFAG na demetene say omo atro krata e de akwa koma CAF any FIFA ese be ya nkomo fa injunction ento ne ban no so sere be ya ebema Solomon Safu Taylor etma to so si akan na investigations be cause adaya omo so ma se verdict na efi Ghana Football Association panyifa so e ba no ba bi o wa ankoye o so mo hwehwem ekakra edma omo na demete no say Solomon Safu Taylor atimi appeal sike wo so mutua no omo tua ni nyina fees no omo tua for appeal demete and say Solomon Safu Taylor enra ne lawyers no etro krata de koma Ghana Football Association panyimfo maybe kokotoko say 6 January omuntua nka ne monthly salary no emma the embargo atoso ebe omun left embargo no omuntua nka adom tanana wose no kotoko abrante Nicholas Menson banen for 1 year eso na bosumbia na katua etimi ba adenti no de omumfa na katua no eso entimi emma from April ba cho every January be see April no omunya entua nka esem no ka say o Spain a oboga ekakra enu ye de Solomon Safu Taylor na so eba mede ema mo eno no yenwo mo Ghana Premier League Monday 30 sha se ne na ewo Abrankase Nations FC omo asoye uwram a matches awdo ebe koso na eno na Kwame Banu akon e de ensembia to dwabra was say next season Ghana Premier League no o baba bebe uwram a so ye Premier League club na uni border enya de say umbema wo license amo abo Premier League ni bi.
The reason why a club needs to have a board to conform to FA's regulation, because the FA's regulations are clear. All clubs are supposed to be registered as limited liability companies under the Companies Act. Every limited liability company has to have a board. If you are not conforming to the terms of your registration with the Companies Act, you cannot be conforming to the FA regulation. So basically, say only border, it means you are not conforming to the terms of the Companies Act, which also means that you are not conforming to the FA. And so that's the only thing I can say about the board, and it's not peculiar to only Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So this one is not about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. That a club doesn't qualify.
And we are summer. Uramwa Ghana Football Association and we club licensing board omo chairman Mr. Kwame Banu doctor no edituja na yemramo Real Tamale United and no donation bi koso Alhaji Mahama ekwe donation bi dima Real Tamale United omo ebobo eku no ni nyina no se sikasem akwedi nti 10,000 Ghana cedis na odi ewuramo a omo aba beda na se na no pay omo di release eso e de aba beda opanyin no so se baby adu no sika ehi omna bibia aye kamenu ye de tie nyina so na ensama hodo a ye boaboa no enne anopai ewo full time dwumadie so ewo afisem no yemfa ensina de akabia no entoa so emfa ema
aropa me na apostle din komo ezi abibia I set ochina utwa jana
oh yeah brekum
and
crop
ya set
oko mikrum kotoko betu ne ntomutu ye hosem so tu
now for bibia
jabeto fam obrekum bia no
ba esi alo apostle shewachi away matches so see here juba na ehu de ko we bob let's away give so we kwara
oh say adwuma na me yentis ye sanhema me nko ade a
obeko oh ba esi ade adwuma a wo ye na ehu me am ni kakra ka be hwe ode so am sika se bo fam kakra ka be hwe ode
bibia be fine
say pre-season also beko
pre-season mi dam say kwamba me Black Queen School Japan
Take why? Amate Jabakona Mako kudi komara mo Jenjeme dental clinic ya kende ajoze nipa de oseno ya na ho hia ye papa di uyo bi a wo ha kakra wo sima oso okọ na Jenjeme for ne hwe na ye boa na yetimi ye de ma okọ examination no mo ye consultation services no course ni na zo bu a ne se no o de card ye ma bo ze ya na efemfem no ne ade a ni na mo no e be hwe na ya boa na yetimi de fie so se no bebi na etu he na person koko ebiti se sister ya ade bi a ye brand yetimi de ama brace awro na ebeboa na yetimi da hye so bu a ne de no ba kusia sa adwuma de no owura mo Jenjeme do maso o meya amasen na ba besan so kama pa mpo obu a ro beze ne sene dwebam na efe pa ni na no okwa ehwe etimi edun udwuma e na afi obi so awa no niema ama ne se no ase kala na esesa kakra teeth whitening no ni nyina na ya de omre na etimi aboa na pese o se no o hye ne silver na gold a ni nyina Jenjeme ne pin for ne na yetimi aboa ma ne ma kueti so wo ha obi a zenne kaka bi na ayo na pese okukutu no yehwe na yetimi aboa opomo a Ghana baby omo bo edwuma Kumasi Abrepo Junction omo bento ta filling station no Techima Magazuru ani achemo ewo Techiman market no na je magazine kwa no so bomode na wetimi enyo omo Accra nungwa omo Atomic Dana Koforidua omo be Central Police Station no ewo market o Takra de pipe no traffic no do ani achemo ta Disco Junction GM Bank omo premises no eni Jenjeme dem pay for wa ye boa mane makweti so how de omo so na wo so kona yetimi aboa form number no 0559 139582 0559 139582 na 0549 906588 0549 906588 ni amwa na ne man koyi kama pa entimi emfama na be video ma o ma bishi o ma che ne pa no na ma baba bishi o mo ha mi hu o ma che pa nation service in being for de bia am ba ye mam goose mienu ye hu de ba ye mo jaaba ya hu de ba mo jaaba aboa no baby e che no zebi wa na baby a aboa na ewe wa na isan no di no ze ye yi na ye ya na ye ya obi zebi bia awoko de o ze ben na mi hu bu on pressure ba so asa because mi hu ma chenti na mama ye di se o ba ge ze bia awoko de
boko
you share na che the last time you share wa no you share biem
ya bade bia be kama
oh had you ya bad as last go video report na ma or the bibia ma hano ba 2
it's in ekra no ya 2 say no say ke 4 on
na ma ntime ye be chewi na ma 2 na
say chain de me na me break chain enti ti de me catch those
edman so edenye wa
meje me phone so tum because the bia me feel lusuda and anytime I bia no the least number of goals are measure cry no and you 2 no and you would at 24 no na ka the plan was saying you be increase ya 3-4 and it's a sim kakra intina say chain break here but say finish hard it is finish hard
we ma chance also na minimum my last 5 matches near man ko yo they in the league no ka fi mo jama kroma ya ni age pa we all do baby no Rena mokofa ekrema muzo meji league ne de mokofa na Samuel boy no uzo onkofo enkofa mo ba mokofa ren no afi okọ akotokoje ne de we mujo eno ano no emu hwibiem
no correct on say sama test cry no asat now me no can say still no obi an kohye oh
yes
still ayenkwa na yenya 3 points hono and say team new team oko Century Sports Stadium ekoshe samates oba baba yara ebehye kotokodia next one kasa no would want to position bia organic for the best so that's here and any share ni gusua project aye body kakra but also football no sometimes no they all here yes na unya
no
because football is so critical say even ubetimi abobo ni nyina na wa show hongu kra obom and do show ho a abobo ni nyina but opponent nothing else bobo ni shame no went me wa anga sama show defeat aba so that's here and paying for say enye dia ka adwene pen say the bia hu jaso so that's here can the comfort zone so ko den zoom na ko da ne ho but edu baby a bibinti na abahuja so and I think say one of those things are see we top teams say Europe kra na see what I say obetimi ascend dia na bibia dey edu aba form but me personally I feel say inexperience kakra na che boys no and tama omtade so mu win no the hype was too much that is how I see it and that is how it is because yeni akasa also make me akasa factor we as mechanic as management and owners because now ehunu say baby edu no in the first place your motive they say they be make catcher say ke person ka league nim and then their priority are the more league but ya massive points they could do baby and they realize say no baby edu no ye league ne be yi nti say your boy mbode ku anim nti the cause of yes no afi boys yes you push you hard so that's abu nti baby yes ya mamu 1 CD kura na yes monye 10 CDs baby yes ya mamu 10 CDs kura na yes monye 20 CDs and enya nipa bebre ne timi work under pressure so that's here and I feel say sa anima no ebe omo na hype no say sebi o free division 2 and na waba bedu kumase oshabrankese Jena baba yo into all those things and your factors I think say a setting in but achia mu me the be make say league yet me anya in disappointed you failures cry because
Samantha me anje league
na
disappointed supporters
they know say you better see league no man can say nim say intimi league and I say o man nyina na okra say you betimi abaji league yes start league obia motive ni say you be ka league nim ya about education where circumstances are surrounding your qualification to division from division 1 I won't say yene Sky a battle for a boardroom points be and sadden by people of the motive say as a na boy but yeah kasa be brain I hope see be our crowd TV
me titi
yes Facebook
as more ben
efe
no ntino madam for efe president titi na waboama majesa
people openly posted on Facebook say they reach say you be relegation and time I started here about 7 matches
nenku
no started Ubusa be no be catch there's a platform no mo frey Abrankese Luton Town
be do baby near famous
oh yes Abrankese Luton Town oh say you need Luton Town for you buy
I did want to now
abu ya bro oh say you need Luton Town buy it Luton Town elusu never Abrankese Luton Town never Abrankese Luton Town
dino so do
but you say a work in progress it's a too so that's it is supporters in na obi anim say oh see have relegation because bra division 1 no they be make say me da na me so da na me body division 1 match quickly say me timeni because I break up especially when na say ne holy stars no enfri me trimu da
whatever ba say holy stars
masa
oko bro
Ebro ankasa Brepo the understatement Ebro for the first time in my life I must say players and supporters start here
wow
because the guys were determined say they be CBN mbuku and they told us say ya show ma any yewu na mo share am boy half them say bro half unim say match na ma so because of ntokwa
no
yes enti yes an koda hotel for the first time players ya dress wo team bas me call match back no so 7 o'clock technical team name management machine na etna bench because na please want me risk say you got na stance nim because of nima na eba no abo nyina bai but here we need it is any man nyina no ye bai no manfo anhwe but last minute decision e bai na ye design Sky hono na manfo e kazi ye na benket it is na ye ba nyina ye determine say ye say mo bi da okay ye ni enuom kra bia ni om kra eternity aye what I say it's no motive ni say be ka league nim but be ka mu so a points accumulation and ya accumulate ya and dey kotu baby afi kodu baby no o ma no mo hwe say anka yen relegation no na afi o ma sa ten be go mu say why dey so that say into the team bomb match kura na no waja ni team no
me ba is that time na mo bu fi ase obe to so e dey o ma mamu di
dabi and nkofo na shewu sa nkofo na she a time bomb no ma set say be explode so that say and we were determined say embassy be going massive because at least we want to do something for ourselves.
Kobi Mate, yamna a game no so. Me no can say we are not bendi bi aso so na against Accra Lions. Is there 5 matches in here? Result board there's an in bia yeah.
In 15 points, you know. You 2. Papa. A hard
as a mukram to me GG points in Bianca.
Yes.
Come Mondasro crank, baby, I'm done and Casama testing to me 2 games now. Yeah.
The last meeting, boys, you know, catch them say, you have 5 matches, only 2 points, but still out that second. Until you da, you know, say, Sankawi, your name be here. Your name be here, and KBI overtake you more. And Abu, it's not as if say be a chances anymore. The guys are creating the chances. Mekai against he game back with any penalty no as I'm about to. We had the penalty, but it's Kwandai against Good Stars. Yeah, he took good post 3 times.
Wow.
He you say I say hard luck bina I say.
Is the more comparable?
Oh, is there? Ya comparable. Is there me na? Ya comparable. Say sorry, there be hard training. Into no, be I set Abu.
Mate, bye. Vakras also a gate no share, but what joining our here, Kofi Pukuna be can need come on the APRO. Edema Nation says in a ben, and any deputy in terms of my bomb for 4 goals. I call bomb you win 2 goals. Now, when you get fee, we won't share another Kakaka Mama.
Well, get fee in your normal 10 cities now.
Oh, okay.
Across board, and a VIP near 30 Ghana cities.
Oh, okay.
It's by 12 years, I say, dear, you sure say gates near B. It's the can say. Your percent a year you turn around, but without our supporters,
Sompa.
It's said here first round. It will be not enquiry. Nempo mujina tie chino. Your percent on my side of the mind. Na kwambiaso. Minim senkum die be dia from a ne air code die, and a be turn around against Accra Lions. It will be a very difficult game, but come what me, nkum be dia. It's fancy namra no me tie chi. It will say will be na say. Yashia Sikakra.
Yes.
But Achia Nimuye. It's in your na team no in front of my infra.
But more support them, more baby girls, pal. Almost support, supporters. Oh, me a heavy pal.
Me the Irish them home so. Me who guess no. Say ya.
Who be more?
Yeah, me focus on match. Yes,
me who be more. Me match. Me 2 months off with you. It is said to be organ be makwaba. Ura na mura oh be hume eze du ba bi e we na o se me kwa we ne kakra entina ye ba be hume ene bia mereze metimi aba na ye ya ti covid e twato e na be me hwe de be twato na
abu se ne ben kan
but na more questions be match one ntino after we no sharabra na eni komo abazo office be braba mu place no na be za komo no ni DM wa na match ni ti de twato na me nja akwan
mate de kan say ne ben kan no so Accra Lions enye bayira aberwadwo because Accra Lions etimi akọ Ajimabedu Sports Stadium na Ajimabedu so akọ share eye aduana wa baba yara abehye kotoko wa share Accra so folk it is only side team igba enye team ketwa na nebo and especially say nwini 5 matches no na esan ball our favorite home ground so no say ne yama supporters no smile Today Kenya say Ben can get between 10 and 30. Yes, Ubia say Ubia Mrabai hope say hopefully by the end of the game no 3 points no Ebeka Abankese. Now before say me kono mami chia me bosses bia me no me adwuma way. If you can brace out electoral commission office.
Oh okay.
I say registration. Ti ama pressure kakra there ba. Anti me anafu pa omunya nations for omunyina nations for anti oti on the supervisor was here utabe me chia wona Argentina. Me body pa ano so baby girls pa say ne on na ma ho baby girls nko anim
so da baby girls
Argentina me chia
ye cars e baby girls
o da bi so o man ye fe
o so mo ye man ye fe
say abuda last time tia bo say so Boston o cost stadium na say baby girls wo science ma science me ye fe
e no cre
e ma djuma de lo so cre ka be ti be set test bu am in dia gro
okay
do man hinkro Prekum Golden City Park.
Yes.
Abraham Kese.
Yes.
Hono. Omo na man ko bi kra na ye be ya. Be dey twatola.
Well, Jabu dey can say game no about 3 p.m. It's your 2 and suffer your supporters ni nyina. Omo be tie echi. Na come what me nkumde be here dia because link ko break. Nti you take this opportunity no atoto niema.
nti bompa say nhye de gwa kwam no ebe ye adwuma na yetimi edi nkunim nti obi amra obi amfa ne nkyere Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex abrankese embetai nations achi na nkunim de ye dia ene ifre na eko ye fa yentuma pefra ama eniji aba asantemem
Mate merasi tiano orwani chemwe nation service o maso yampinfo kasa ma teams na nyame adaroma na enyo mumienu nyina wa ha na o mababa beru azo onyo mu nyina sei koka kufuwa na bensu wo beba ne manyo mu nyina wa ha ati obu pefo gosti ebo free pia nyina nkona ye nkonko support yo mnemwa mane manko yi togbe ahaban keke mzo ti din na pe no ze ahaban keke ani ye hwe na ye di ewram na aboa mane manko yi peda manipa onamo na wanhwe na huhum no wa ma huhum no mu anya din a wa iza tintehu no frama boy ya na edo sene na ne opimpe from Benin urwani chemo ewo da homi hono fi a wa baba be rama dwumadi a odi no ya de ano edin papa ahaban na era no bomodi etimi ade ejuma na de tie ni wabisa ahun za den na o maame no papa fimu omu fimu no okokosi omu wiye no eni wadwuma sama ye basa e bibintia enye no so nko wabisa ahun za adenti na anamo aye ba ahun fefefe be ma bia ma won chen ni nyina so obi a waye huhumu e de ne den ne de ba ni nyina na me kamfo era ma zeram na togu aban keke ko na omwa no so anon fama ya na oye ncheche ni nyina se huhumu nkomo ena ye odi ntu ko YouTube a me pacho Takas TV TAKAS now the TV also oboshempe me pacho o subscribe ya na chese wa share na wa like na wa hwe o like ya o share ma unu aso hebi na wa huhumu nsem no kwan abefa so abe bebo amane ma kwenti ne nana togbe ahaban keke ni nkomo e wa aman yuso na so kan ha na ahaban no ya ma undwa ibi ne ndondon empunu na gina na super 0244 484747 0244 484747 na 0244 506620 0244 open up odo na chimu kumase ejo sofia se kwan no so no na jese bonfa hospital junction no on sabetimi aka no tiram ne mboa na ne mandela di pen fama shari kwekwan ma me bobo birthday si no so ana menya na men shase emfa me college na ansa na mapija me muna news out 12 no ababa be ramunti minim ye ya pe na ye ya happy birthday nkwen fama Michael Che dorona friend Michael Kafi Helegbe minu ano no Michael HRD won krankwanto sense ntweni bro nyame hia papa na na yoda no de opibia no emram kama pen fama na special one kwen fama Sandra Gabi Masha ewo Dome FM uniano no ono na esi ne no Sandy ayoda no nyame hia pa na Sandy onso de open no emram kama pen fama na nesu ye Vivian zo na ewa woda Shadrack NS yan kwen fama V na niamande da dimpa entimi amfa Shadisco no era fi so no Jadin so no ni Princess Jadin ni so yoda enramu kama pa entimi emfama na nyamisha na de opebi enramu emfa emma ekuabadu ewo for ukrom na waoba stronger NS yanko entimi emfa emma na niamanda di momi na so na yoda niamanda di pa na happy birthday nkwen fama Daniel Custalo Sompa your correspondent do wani chemo bibi ni a ona Custalo ewo obuju ma me so no na danda yi no tuja no if you tie enko entimi emfa na ayewe sunramu Mr. Emmanuel Kweku Atakra drona freni konie na anyambo a chena na konie yabo modin a agric orwani chemo nwamase funeral ground so a yabo modin na pempa no yetimi adin 1 week no emze ya administrator berema wusu ansa ne papa no nti konie na nti ye na berema so me ma ya akopa hyeden za de ya na ebase ya anye easy cry ya na mu adin anti no nyambo chene nyine be ruamu agric nwamase ne yabo modin na konie ya kwakuja yenua berema na bibibia adedadi 0551 931 0551 931 0548 931 betima frɛ na so wa baba be chewa dwuma dia na ye di no so na ofra na waluwa TV set no na watie me ana aboa na ne ma de din pa me na memfa obi wa na ye ba cho odi ani baby afra fi
mpache efe na don for maka se kwa mo
adon for meet you
le ba cho dafa meka se akomia se Manchester United almost all the local champions. Ukwa European competition, Chelsea so more trophies than Manchester United. The Barcelona ran my best near my eye.
But that's it. Bye-bye.
So, Midas 0551931931 0548931931 also wakunya so beba na wababa be ram na niam de da yere ama me na me fobu a me ba jo dia ne baby afrefi.
Hello. Assembly has been consistent call.
Hello. I was on to Mary. Na me fa obi ewa anom na yenko yenim ni ade a na say ba yi ni share and them say about ni nyina mo mehwe na ma fa ba ko mienu bi wa anti ma me fa wa na anya adwuma odi an baby afrefi
ma shemiri ni Solomon frefi sola
sola boko de
ma chonya mi ade bi abako
ba jo mi ti o
leo ma chonya mi pesa je le afania kano enya because ma is to clear to Ferguson no and do you Ferguson ne call you in Chelsea far better than Man United medasu
Mati menso medase menfa obi e wa no me say me lines no ba kona na ya ba ma the Mr Nelson Balo okosunya no wo bo adwuma ne wa to me nkra say ohwe pa adwuma de no India Mr Nelson Matez o ma me Madam Elizabeth Asanto retired nurse e osunya regional hospital Ntiapo di mommy speedy recovery nya hoden na bra beto aso na ne man de di menfa foforo wa me ba jo odi ne baby afrefi
ba je very chat because that's what I got from
Charles was a group on boko there
boko
meet you
the bomber basuni adwuma pa mo ye na me sure say afi Chelsea next season you bit my beje leg
Te merase pa no so di adeba ba baberam e wo hanom tiere na yemfa we am mfa ncheme me say we no ba kwa yi ya but ba kona na me di edwuma odi an baby a ofrefi hello ya odi an baby a ofrefi
but your friend Kingsley me ka say asinfosu
Ken asinfosu boko there
oh bi dia boko yami adom
baba jo meet you
and Pachembe send me who trophies between that one and Madrid. Your wages the drop.
Mate, we no minimum so chine be ba na ba bibiem na wanya na kama pa na bibibia atimi ade da ye kama so etimi da ma memfo bi a odi an baby afrefi. Hello. Ya odi an baby afrefi.
Hello.
Ya meto nka odi an baby afrefi.
Never good afternoon.
Yeah, good morning. Odi ni baby afrefi.
Never show me did Richard me mo ka free pam no.
Never show me too rich.
Never show last week. You did ask me better me but Sompa for for show do my day now.
Oh, I know dey me so ya obetimi tu anamon wa babira na after show.
Yeah, me no mutimi minimum on farm why? The 5 what how much?
Hello nyanto waze. Na uni nyanto waze afi no abadi ni baby afrefi.
I from a Jesu, make a free as a Coroman for Bobai.
I also meet you.
But I make a nations a boys in his hair. Woman Yabo train a ball, I'm a bonny, a mom group all more. I now have a planet doors into your mom from a boate. No more group all more, no, I'm not from Boate. And you quite a bono. We are just a one for a bit to me. I say, who do have not say, or who watch the war? No, I pass the ammonia and only Nashama and Itiaba Brancas in the Doma say why.
Menso medase no dia so. Hello.
Because Oma cho muntina ne fe o akache no.
Oh sa kramuhwe na fasa na ma no na for uzo mu producer na engine on the uduma. Mame na me fa ba kuntwa to na fe. Yem page mu ne enko. Ti mame fa ba kuntwa to. Be ba jo na twa to din baby afrefi. Hello. Zadabi on your way. My young fan pim 3 to 4 yebeba na yababa betranse na yabo modern shootout no ato aso kama pet mera man tiere mapim dini abu diabi area ni enhia shootout no ebeto aso kama pa etimiere amamoti apostle ka Michael Asaribuadu akomia Lutakin Nas era fi Shadrack ne omo maka no techi e majuma di real fancy so no tenen kan tie ko 3 to 4 yebeba na shootout na ato aso amamo